How to create a new board on Monday.com 2024. In this video, we are going to be talking about Monday.com and how you're going to go ahead and create a new board with it in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to come over to your Monday.com. And obviously, when you're in your Monday.com, it's going to ask you to create spaces. Now, if you want to go ahead and use Monday.com's every single little itty bitty feature, and you want to do it for free, make sure to check the link down in the description below to create an account and get started with it right away. Now, once you've created an account over here, as you can see, we have new workspace. So you're going to go into your workspace, and let's say in this board or in the small workspace, you want to add another board. So to add another board in the same workspace, you're going to click on add item to workspace. You're going to go over to board right here, and you're going to go either with a new board or you're going to click on start with template. Now that's going to depend on you on whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go with new board. And once we do that, what's going to happen over here is it's going to ask us these details. And again, if you want to do this all completely for free, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off with Monday.com on a free account. So over here, give your board a name like software. Okay, and you're going to choose what items are you managing. So item, budget, employees, projects, etc. So I'm going to go with tasks, and we're going to click on create board. Now, once you click on create board, this will add a new board for you. And that is basically how you're going to be creating a new board on Monday.com in the easiest way. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Again, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to use Monday.com totally for free. And that is all there is for me. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.